In this video, I'm going to make a good Manchego is hard to find burger. To start this burger off, I'm going to make a vegan alternative to a Manchego cheese. This cheese is more of a spread and it's super simple to make. We're gonna add all of the nuts and the beans to a food processor, blend it off really well to get the cheese nice and smooth. Then we're going to add the other ingredients, give that a blend, and it's gonna be mixed perfectly. So we're gonna start with sauteing some shallots, and then we're gonna heat up the Manchego cheese a little bit. Everything is ready, so let's go ahead and bring all of this together to formulate the burger. So this is a vegan version of the Bob's Burgers, a good Manchego is hard to find burger. Overall, this is a fantastic burger. This is one of my favorite burgers because I really love the flavor with the fig jam coming in. There's a nice sweetness. It accents well with the Manchego cheese that has some nuttiness and some butteriness, and it's really great. It also balances my burger patties that I made, which you can always check out my But Better Burger and see how to make that. This burger, like I said, it's one of my favorites. I'm definitely gonna make it again. The shallots, you can't go wrong with sauteing up some onion, but shallots is next level because the shallot has a bit more of a pungent flavor, a little bit more of a robust flavor than just using a regular onion. So the shallot is my go-to. Everyone, thanks for joining in and watching me make this burger today. I'm your friend with food benefits. Make sure you come back to watch some more great videos.